First, the top news headlines. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah hails exemplary service of CRPF. Karam Shyam says irresponsibility slows down development pace. And good relations of Farmers Horticulture Department make success in sale of organic produce, Minister Shyam Kumar. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News today at 1 p.m. I'm Lavjing with you. Let's take a look at the news in details. Governor of Manipur Najma Heptullah today said that the Central Reserve Police Force is one of the largest paramilitary forces in the world which has been discharging dedicated and humanitarian services and has also rendered exemplary service in Manipur to maintain peace and tranquility in the state. She said this during the opening ceremony of the 10th Shahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial State Open Football Tournament today at the Sports Authority of India SAI Takgale Complex. The tournament, being organized by Manipur and Nagaland Sector CRPF, will continue till March 5. Najma Heptullah expressed happiness that 25 top teams of Manipur from both the valley and hill districts are participating in the tournament this year, making it one of the most sought-after tournaments in the state. It may be mentioned that CRPF has been organizing this tournament for the last 10 years in the memory of son of Manipur, Shahid Manoranjan Singh, who sacrificed his life for the nation. The officer was awarded Police Medal for gallantry. Governor Najma also saluted the brave officer for his supreme sacrifice and paid respect to his mother, Anji Memcha Devi, who shared the dais during the opening ceremony. Anshuman Yadav, Inspector General of Police, Manipur, Nagaland Sector and CRPF was also present. Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions Minister Karam Shyam today stated that lack of sense of responsibility is the main reason for slowing down the development pace. The minister was attending the observation of Soil Health Card today and a one-day training program held under the aegis of RKVY at Langthabal Kunja Awang Lekai Community Hall. During the function, Karam Shyam also said that it is the right time to utilize all fields in the state for good purpose. The minister stressed on the need to sensitize the people on various government-sponsored developmental schemes and sought support from the people to make these schemes fruitful. Karam Shyam also appealed to the farmers to cultivate crops suitable to the land by using organic fertilizers.
Department is hiding by a exam of those who may say, Sarkar, one of the Nativa, Razana, like Hoga lady. See, Jan Subiva, Adolupaya exam, Susatan, and Orange should be doing another Kulabda. Be doing everything. Must see the kind of low yardly never which society say. See near when it Jan Dadri said. I don't know, here I'm putting up the Jan Tamina, but the car lay low, Simo, the Tava in hand over the political skill level. Any hiram putting the Tava in Gang Shubada, Sumamayam say, understanding of Levinaragati, the Aquay, South Polibam, but I am advanced winner, that the Sangan money, Hybrid Hazabadu, Hamzabulina, Kuila book among since the Pazana Sinasi.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar today attributed the success in selling of organic products from Manipur to other parts of the country to good communication and relation of Farmers and Horticulture Department. Shyam Kumar said this while flagging off organic ginger-laden trucks from Horticulture Department at Sanjantong for Delhi-based Revanta Foods Private Limited. The organic ginger is produced in Perzol district. Shyam Kumar lauded the joint efforts of Horticulture Department, Manipur Organic Mission Agency and the farmers. The minister said that not only India but other countries have high demand for organic produce available in the state. He appealed to the farmers to register their produce to the Horticulture Department.
Parbung magi surrounding leba ada phangba organic oiba ginger sing makhala se ngasi dagi akoi Delhi da amo koina by road ta akoi thaba hore sisunatana akoi gi Dubai da amadi malem ya to country sing da demand ka lakpadagi koi mathang akoi thaba hongnaba akoi siam sabadu ngasi dagi thaba hore hadana ai medai kuthang da mari praja mayam da appeal tawi madudi koi no si thariba chinjak kuding mayam sing asi Forestry Department da resa tawraga organic oiba chemical jaw da haksang da sok da chinjak amadi malem gi kaithen kana pam badumba lamdam ma welasi hadana ai medai kuthang da appeal taw
Sing si mapanda yon ba yanaba semitlon phagat pa yanaba amadi farmers ki benefit hengat naba sigumbagi pandam makha amada kanna interest to wibagi matungina mamangi sahidagi hauna Manipur Organic Mission Agency na Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northern Region gi makhada aikoina farmer listing ama cover tawduna organic certification hogibani haiba organic certified tawraba first year certification phangaba siguma ginger si mamangi sahida ton listing mari thadokuna chawrakna income si farmer singda aikoina crore 12 dagi henba senpham mama akoi chawna kaduna kanaba phangkrabani.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today visited President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju Bijoy Kakchingtabam at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Lamphilpat, Imphal, where he was admitted yesterday after suffering a stroke. The Chief Minister wished Bijoy for speedy recovery.
Fortunately, Dr. Suraj Hoy, the director in Skikarimayam, Nazare, Masazu Nare. Fortunately, yam kahena hataba condition oidre je do wari sab ko kari dawre yam thura recovery dawre ni su haire masi weight hangalakpa pressure hangalakpa hakjang gi sajel wala ko khu judu man ado ai dawno ko kon resian jena hermani ado ma pharga ko amju team gam tan ro team sana ri farani na khala.
We'll be right back after a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pungkun Mari Chupna Miyam gi seba tawzari. Ambulance Service asina Miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Medline F download tobiu.
Marks Time Classes Chahi Khudingi Leptana Topper Puthokliba CBSE gi Amatangairaba Coaching Center Well Experienced Teaching Faculty Akhanaba Subject of Tawbagi Khudong Chaba Piri Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade admission form thazare form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10 akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes Wangkai Mahu Bomlampak phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after the break. The Rongmei Phom Delhi and Rongmei Chamnak Phom Delhi expressed pleasure for Commissioner Customs Preventive Shillong Machunglung Gaipuizei Kamei IRS being honored with specially distinguished record of service on 26th of January this year by the Ministry of Finance Revenue Department, Government of India. This was informed in a press release from Rongmei Chamnak Phom Delhi today. An official team led by Deputy Commissioner of Technopal District M. Rajkumar and District Superintendent of Police T.H. Vikramjit yesterday inspected 3 different coronavirus screening points but put up along the Indo-Myanmar frontier. Since the outbreak of the virus, medical teams have been screening tourists visiting the state via Myanmar at these checkpoints. Talking to media, DC Rajkumar said that since coronavirus has become a global threat, 3 medical teams are being engaged at the screening points. He also appreciated the medical teams for performing their duties very well. Rajkumar also informed that he will consult the concerned authority to provide more ambulance vehicles for Moreh Hospital.
Reporting concerned medical staff report tawbirakpada 58 individuals upon the screen tawraga neighboring country da sangiba ge gumba report ama tawbire yamna detail loiba adi magi travel history ji kram mafam da kadai waita adagi madagi in details mayam se koi neighboring countries da ge koi ICPs da live policy da madagi detail ama locally medical team mas laiba sida dedicated oiba ambulance ama su tubada lagani haibagi other than the general medical ambulance laiba sigi mathakta lagani haibagi paw ama su thambirai that will be followed up aina madum su soidana purapa ngamdana bai concerned authorities in tanare harika yensin sagani.
In view of the ongoing budget session of Manipur Assembly, Imphal West Commando conducted cordon and search operation at Nepali Basti, Kasturi Thong, Nagamapal Parking, Bora Gali and Dharmasala of Imphal City. During the operation, around 85 people were verified, while 11 people were detained by city police for further verification. Signatories of the Boro Accord in Assam yesterday said inclusion of all stakeholders in the Boro Territorial Council BTC administration is a must to ensure lasting peace in the region, according to media reports. The centre on January 27 last had signed the peace accord with various factions of National Democratic Front of Boroland. This is the third Boro Accord signed in the last 3 decades since the movement for a separate Boroland state began in 1972. The stakeholders of the accord, which include leaders of the 3 armed factions of the NDFB, said a provision to absorb them into Boro politics will bring the much sought-after transformation of the Boro territorial region, as they have been struggling for their community for decades and understand the needs of the people. Maintaining continuous economic growth over the years with an impressive rate, Mizoram has registered a growth of 13.04% in its gross state domestic product (GSDP) during the fiscal 2018-2019, according to the Economic Survey 2019-2020. The Economic Survey presented by Chief Minister Zoramthanga in the Assembly yesterday said that the GSDP at current prices was estimated at nearly 23,000 crore in 2018-19 as against rupees 19,328.64 crore in 2017-18. The GSDP is projected to grow during the current fiscal year at 12.25%, the survey said. According to media reports, the service sectors continue to have the highest contribution to the gross state value added (GSVA) at 46%, followed by agriculture and allied sector, which contributed 28%. The Unique Identification Authority of India faced public wrath after it came to light that 3 Hyderabad residents from the minority community were asked to prove their citizenship, prompting that the Aadhaar issuing authority to issue a clarification. According to the notices dated February 3, the individuals were summoned after UIDAI's regional office received a complaint that they were not Indian nationals and had obtained Aadhaar through false pretenses by submitting fake documents. Clarifying on the issue yesterday, the Aadhaar issuing authority revealed that its Hyderabad office had sent notices to not just 3 but 127 residents, asserting that these had nothing to do with citizenships as per reports. Let's take another short commercial break, but coming up next, Donald Trump says really likes Prime Minister Modi but saving a big trade deal with India for later.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020. And foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back after the break. US President Donald Trump has said he is saving the big deal with India for later, and he does not know if it will be done before the presidential election in November, clearly indicating that a major bilateral trade deal during his visit to Delhi next week might not be on the cards. Donald Trump is scheduled to visit India on February 24 and 25. The US and India could sign a trade package during the visit, according to media reports. US Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer, the point person for trade negotiations with India, is likely to not accompany Donald Trump to India, according to media reports. However, officials have not ruled it out altogether. Afghanistan declared incumbent Ashraf Ghani winner of a disputed presidential election, but his main rival rejected the result and vowed to form his own government, threatening new turmoil as the United States strives to seal a US troop withdrawal deal with Taliban militants. As per media reports, polls were held on September 28 last year to select a president for the fourth time since US-led forces withdrew the Taliban government in 2001. Abdullah Ghani's former deputy and main rival was named runner-up with 39.52%. Nevertheless, Abdullah said he and his allies had won the election and would form the government, reports added. And now let's take a look at the sports news. Manipur cyclist Philem Rohan, who began a 6-month-long solo ride from New Delhi to Tokyo on 17th of February, reached Gurgaon in Haryana yesterday. There he was given a warm reception by Wheels for the founder Nipun Malhotra and others. At the occasion, Nipun Malhotra and the young cyclist exchanged opinions, thoughts, cause and effect and suggestions in connection with the ride. Later, Rohan was flagged off from Haryana.
Journey to Tokyo, and I think he's reaching Tokyo at the appropriate time, ready for the Paralympic Games, to raise awareness about the rights of persons with disabilities in India in general and in Manipur in specific.
Manipuri swimmer Boni Katrimayum managed to secure second position in the women freestyle category of the 3rd International Masters Swimming Championship. The championship was held at NASA Sports Complex, Dubai. Boni won the medal in the 30-34 age category. Now let's take a look at some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. All 9 samples test negative for COVID-19. 2 returning from Wuhan put under house quarantine. Imphal Mandalay bus service from April 7. School kids hurt in road mishap. Chief Minister notes growing traffic congestion. Bag snatcher caught, remanded. The People's Chronicle. State to soon have e-auto bus service, says Chief Minister. CAG report exposes MPCB flaws. State told to release MGNREGS fund within 3 days. State student quartered in China barred from returning. Will uphold court ruling on MCs, says Minister. Imphal Free Press. House passes 6 demands for grants amounting to over Rs 1,000 crore. 25,000 diesel autos to go green, says Chief Minister. Manipur Mail. Efforts on to improve connectivity, says Chief Minister. House passes 6 demands for grant.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah hails exemplary service of Central Reserve Police Force. Karam Sham says irresponsibility slows down development pace. Congratulations of Farmers Horticulture Department makes success in sale of organic produce, says Minister Shyamkumar. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.